going to show you how you can make most of your eyes in a really subtle and natural looking way. And that's with this shade here, and it's called Shade Cedar. Now this shade I'm never without in my makeup kit. And the reason being is because it helps create more definition in the socket here. And when we create more definition here, it's going to lift and open up the eyes. I'll show you. Now, a lot of women struggle with applying eyeshadow, but that's often because they don't have the right brush. And this brush is what I call a beautiful fluffy brush, and it does the hard work for you. So I will load up the brush, tap off any excess. I'm just going to start in the middle of the socket here and go back and forward just like a little windscreen wiper. And as I build up the colour, the socket is going to look deeper, and in turn the brow bone is going to look lighter, and this is what's going to give a really subtle but kind of natural looking eye lift. To blend, simply take your brush and move it back and forward in little circular motions. To complete this eye look, I'm going to use this Back in Black mascara by Lord & Berry. If you want to learn the techniques that you can do to just make this look slightly more amplified, perhaps you want to take it up a notch for lunch with your girlfriends, stay tuned because I'm going to show you quick and easy techniques that you can do to make this look just a touch more wow. I'm now going to add this shadow, and it's Gilded Taupe. Now the thing I love about this shadow is that it looks beautifully subtle, but the particles in this shadow just catch the light and make the eyes look brighter and really, really pretty. So if you close your eyes for me, Amanda, you'll notice I'm using my finger. So easy, you don't even need a brush for this. And you're just going to pat this shadow onto the lid. If you're worried about a metallic tone highlighting fine lines, don't be scared, because actually you're missing a trick by not wearing one, because this will make the lid look bigger and brighter, which in turn will make your eyes look just more wow and open. This liner is really easy because it's so easy to apply and blend. Now the trick to applying this is, if you close your eyes for me, Amanda, is to get the pencil as close to the root of the lash as possible. And you're just going to go back and forward like as if it was a felt tip. Now don't worry about the line being perfectly straight, because the beauty of this liner is that you can smudge it with your little pinky finger. And it's this smudging action that just creates a depth of colour by the lash line, but in such a way that it doesn't matter if you've got a shaky hand. To further emphasise the eyes, I'm going to just apply another coat to the outer corner of the lashes here, the top lashes, because where I pulled the liner slightly out at the outer corner here, I want to really emphasise that with the mascara. So apply one coat along all the lashes, and then when you get to the outer corners, just apply a few more coats here, just to really emphasise those outer lashes. Now I'm going to share with you my makeup artistry tips to how you can make this look slightly more smoky, ready for evening. Now if you have a favourite lipstick that you like to wear in the evenings, go ahead and wear it with this look, because the eyes are neutral, so they're going to work with every single lip colour you already own. However, I'm going to keep the lips the same here, because I feel when you make the eyes more smoky, the lips should just take kind of a step backwards a little, because we want the main focus to be on the eyes. Taking the Gilded Taupe shadow again, we're going to dampen our finger And by dampening our finger and applying the shadow with a damp finger, the gild is going to look even more metallic, ready for evening. And again, I'm just going to tap this onto the lid, just into the middle, because I want the eyes to really glisten as Amanda opens and shuts her eyes throughout the evening. To amp this look up even more, I'm going to take the navy liner and I'm going to go back over the top of the line I created, making it slightly more thicker. I'm going to wing it out just a touch. So to do that, I'm going to pull the lid taut and I'm going to move the line upwards towards the end of the brow. I'm just going to pull out and smudge with my pinky finger. I'm going to add this liner also, if you look up for me Amanda, on the bottom waterline, just in the outer corner. I don't want to take the colour right the way along because I still want the eyes to look beautifully large and open. Top tip, if you like to apply the eyeliner to your waterline, take this cedar colour, grab a Q-tip and you're just going to run the Q-tip in the shadow. And then you're going to dab this underneath the lash line to 3/4 of the way in. And what this is going to do is where the liner may have closed your eye up, this delicate shadow is going to just make the eyes look larger and more smoky. You look up for me. And it's simply dabbing on in little dabby motions. I'm also going to apply another coat to the upper lashes. The great thing with this mascara is that you can really build up the intensity and volume, so this gives the lashes a really statement look. Take a look on screen now at the 3 different looks I've designed and imagine how they can work in your lifestyle. If you want to find out just how easy they are to achieve, you can click the link below for more of my tips and tricks for each product.